Hi viewers, Samanat Small Steps Traders channel. So we'll go to the market today. So today's tidbit, one of the funny things about the stock market is that every time one person buys, another sell, and both think that they are astute. I mean, the buyer also think he is intelligent, and the seller also thinks he is intelligent. So that's a funny thing. Okay, now we'll go to the market. So before that, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. Okay, so today Nifty ended at 79 point positively at 19,811. So the top gainers are BPCL, Power Grid, Coal India, State Bank, and HDFC Life. Top loser is Tata Motors, L&T, UPL, IndusInd Bank, and TCS. And today, if we see the total traded stock is 2,564. Out of that, 1,505 stocks ended positively. Only 918 stocks ended negatively. 141 stocks were unchanged. So in that 140 stock is out of 2,564. 140 stocks reached the upper circuit, and 37 stocks reached the lower circuit today. So 159 stocks reached the 52-week high, and only 8 stocks reached 52-week low. So this out of 79 positive point, the major contributor is SDFC contributed 19 points positively, and ITC 9 points positive contribution. If you see the negative contribution, L&T around 10 points negative contribution, and Tata Motors 4 point negative contribution. FIA data. So today the FIA is a net buyer of 263 crores, and a day also net buying of 112 crores. So the month wise, so far the FIA is 10,942 crores net selling, and DAA 9,669 crores net buying. So that's a good sign. Both those marginal difference only we can say. So now we'll see the chart analysis. So Nifty closed previous close is 19,731, and open is 19,843. So around 110 points is a gap up. See the huge gap up here. Then it was in the sideways movement until 1:30 p.m. So so this moment and all give a excitement that it will go further upper side, but they didn't give that. But after that, there's a disappointment of again it had started coming down. But somehow again it has started recovery, and at the end it is around 89 points. Sorry, 79 points positively it has closed. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, the previous close is 44,225, and open is 44,589. So there was a very good gap up similar to Nifty, and then it has traveled totally in the sideways. So similarly, like Nifty, after 130 there was a gap down, and again it's recovered a bit, and decently it closed out at 183 point. It has closed decently. So if we see the trend, we will change it to day chart. So for your reference, this is so the immediate support and resistance. If you see, this is the channel we are saying it is traveling within the channel around 200 points. So we keep saying that the 19,800 is the immediate support, and the immediate resistance, and the immediate support is 19,600. So to move in the upper side or lower side, this channel has to break in decisively. So the next support, if you see, it is 19,200, and 18,800 is the support. The next level support, the major support is 18,000 only. But there are a lot of possibilities it may go upside. So the market is not in the bullish or not or bearish, so it is in the sideways movement only. There are possibilities market still going to the upper side only. Similarly, if you see the bank nifty, it also most of the time it traveled in this zone. So though it is ended positively, the within the zone only it has traveled today and closed within the zone. So it has to break in the upper side 45,000 decisively, it has to break to go in the upper side, or it has to break 44,000 in the downside decisively, it has to close. So the immediate resistance is 45,000 and the immediate support is 44,000. The next support, if you see, it is 43,000 only. The major supports are 40,000. So this level, this is the place where it is the major support place. Okay, now we will see the US market. So at the time of recording, the market has opened. So both Dow and S&P marginally in the negative side. Yesterday it was closed very much positively. Now it is marginally opened on the negative side. We will see this chart. If you see the chart, so the Dow is exactly at channel resistance. So since 2 days it is trying to break. Let we hope it will break in this today or in the subsequent session. So if it breaks decisively, the channel, if it breaks in the upper side, it breakout happens. So that will be the positive impact on our market. So it will go in the again all-time high. So there is a possibility because it's at the resistance. If at all it goes in the downside, then our market also there is a next level. It may go to the 19,200. This level it will come 19,200 level. There are possibilities. So, but seems it will trying to break out in the upper side only. So that case in our market also goes in the upper side. Okay, we will see the their broad market index S&P 500. So that also in the similarly in the resistance level only. So there are possibilities it may go in the upper side. So if that happens, again if you see our broad market, so that also goes in the all-time high. There are a lot of possibilities. So till now our market in the sideways, their market is in the negative side, though still is in the traveling within the channel only, in the downside channel. So it is properly respecting the channel. So with the respect, if you see there is a congestion area. So it trying to break this, what I will say. So if it breaks again, that will be a good sign for both the market, our US market and Indian market. So with this, close this video. We will see in tomorrow. So until then, bye bye. Thank you. Please do subscribe and like.